Here we have a classic example of the phrase bird-brained. Here you have 11 young Muscovies fighting over the feeder that they've been fed with since they hatched. They're almost too big for it. Their bills can barely fit in the little feeder holes. So, what do? I give them an open feeder, a wide open plastic dish that they can eat their food out of. And, as you can see, it's perfectly open to them. They can go to it anytime they want. But they would much rather eat out of the chick feeder. They say that Muscovies aren't really ducks, they're closer to geese, and these are some very silly geese.